Okay, this is the day after Christmas. 2 days after Christmas. We're having a really bad rain. This is part of our road.
Slow down so you get the shot.
You can even hear it coming down like a waterfall. This is right on the side of the house. Water's making its own path.
Is that thunder?
No, that's something in... Both waters weren't taken out, I don't think.
Whoa.
There you go.
That creek didn't used to be there.
You can see it coming all the way from back there.
It's okay, we had the mighty Dodge.
Comes another flow coming out.
Four-wheeler. Oh, there he is. He's kind of...
You need help with anything? Okay.
Water judge.
We're just looking. Alright.
That's water judge in the back. That's what
Yeah.
try to clear out that flow. Not full of his fence down.
Yeah. This is where it's taking out a little bit of the road. We got our own waterfalls coming around. Yeah, right here, it's going underneath the road.
Now that...
It made its own
Yeah.
little path here because
that
there's
we
no
have
drainage.
to watch because that can get out.
Yeah. It made its own hole underneath the road.
This is the Posse Trot Church.
This is the old church. And right there is the creek that I used to drive through.
Yeah, that's
That's
as far as we go.
undrivable right now.
No, I'm not ready. Wow, look at over here, babe.
Alright, that's enough, babe. Come on, roll your window down just a little bit. Let me just get a good shot.
Wow.
A whole lot of water coming down.
And this is the little creek.
Yeah, this is the little one we have to cross. And that's no longer going to be... Looks like across the road, that part of the road gave away. So once the water stops...
Actually, I guarantee you, look at it right here. See where it's flowing down?
Yeah.
That used to be your road right there, so that's gone. All the asphalt they poured back in the summer is over with.
Yeah, it's pretty vicious coming down.
Wow.
And this would be our other way out, which is not an option either.
Or emergency exit. It's no longer an exit.
Yeah. That one. And this is our last way out. You can see all the way down in that road there. That's the crossing.
That's really close.
That's the other road. That's completely, actually two
Actually,
places.
this is not even the creek. The creek's over there.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is an overflow here.
Yep, we'll be home for a couple of days.